Hello, my name is Emma. In today's lesson, I will talk about my morning routine. I will speak slowly so you can listen and understand easily. This lesson is great for beginners. Let's begin. Every morning, I wake up early. I usually open my eyes at 6:30. The first thing I do is turn off my alarm. I sit on my bed for a moment and take a deep breath. Then I stand up and make my bed. After that, I walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and rinse my mouth. I splash some water on my face. This helps me feel fresh and awake. Next, I go to the kitchen. I prepare something simple to eat. Most days, I have toast and an egg. Sometimes I eat an apple or a banana. I always drink a warm cup of tea in the morning. It makes me feel calm and relaxed. After breakfast, I get ready to go out. I pick my clothes carefully. I usually wear comfortable clothes. If the weather is cold, I put on a jacket. Then I comb my hair and look in the mirror. I check my bag to make sure everything is inside. I take my phone and my keys with me. Finally, I step outside and lock the door. I walk down the street and enjoy the morning air. People are busy and the day is just starting. This is how I start my day. Now tell me, what is your morning routine? Write your answer in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons.